Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Ananda Putri. My student number is A1012231053. Today I'm going to make a debate video. This house would give less punishment to the poor. Legal assistance to realize law enforcement is an inseparable unit. Legal protection with the Pancasila principles, one of which is providing legal assistance to the community as regulated in Article 1, Paragraph 2 of the 1945 Constitution, which states that Indonesia is a legal state which has an obligation to protect and recognize the human rights of every individual or citizen. This country, legal aid for poor people is not because they don't uphold justice, but sometimes there are cases where poor people are forced to commit acts of theft in order to survive. For example, woman named Minah had to be sentenced to 1 month in prison with a probation period of 3 months because she was proven to have stolen 3 pieces of cocoa worth 2,000 rupiah belongs to PT Rumpun Sari Antan located in Banyumas, Central Java, and there are still several cases due to people's ignorance about the applicable laws, such as a man named Busrin who faced the law and received a sentence of 2 years in prison and a fine 2 billion rupiah, or subsidiary of 1 month in prison because he was caught cutting down mangrove trees to make them into grill cooking materials. So, in my opinion, based on the example that I gave, the house will give less punishment to the poor if they have some cases like that. But if they are like murder or something like sexual assault, they have to face the law. That's it for me, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Belva Daireswara from Faculty of Law with study number A1012231059. Today I'm gonna make video debate about this house would give less punishment to the poor. I'm from the counter team which does not support this opinion. Basically, justice upheld by law in Indonesia must be fair to all Indonesian people. To uphold human rights, we must first uphold justice to create equality in society before the law. Poor or rich people must still be given punishment if they break the rules. In accordance with what has been determined, however, in giving punishment, the court judge must take into account several things such as the perpetrator being old and unable to pay fines or carry out heavy sentence or be detained in prison. There is no reason for someone to commit a crime, especially a personal one, such as to vent anger or revenge. In accordance with the fourth paragraph of the preamble to the 1945 Constitution, Indonesia must protect the Indonesian nation and improve the welfare of its people. If seen from a legal perspective, we as an Indonesian nation must protect each other and improve the welfare of our society by being fair to all Indonesian people. In Indonesia, there is the principle of equality before the law, which is a principle where everyone is subject to the same judicial laws. Simply put, equality before the law means that all humans are equal and equal before the law. In the principle of legislation, there is something called legal fiction. That is, if a law has been promulgated, then everyone is considered to have known about it. In this case, it is explained that everyone is considered to have known when it has been promulgated, and these provisions are binding so that a person's ignorance of the law cannot be waived. That's all from me. Thank you.